What happens when you get viral products from TikTok Shop? Check this out. Babe, what are you doing?
I like having a cordless vacuum. Like, I absolutely love it. I'm going to vacuum more often because I'm like, oh, I need to vacuum. I'm just going to grab the vacuum and come. I don't have to, like, unwind a cord, wind it. That's the main reason why I hate vacuuming. Okay, this thing is so cool. And look at it. It's lightweight. I could, like, do workouts with it. I mean, this is amazing. I love this thing. I'm in love with it.
Moral of the story, you better grab one right now. We'll leave the link below.